Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make a booking on the Hopscotch application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on this menu icon that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen and then click on Home. After that, tap on the Make a Booking section. In a few seconds, it will be loaded. So first of all, you should select a date on this calendar and then select how many people you are booking for by using the plus and the minus icons, and then click on the next button down below on the right side. Here you can select the type of or the time, first of all, whether it's breakfast, lunch or dinner, and then you should select the time. After that, click on the button next down below, and then you should add your contact details, including your first name, surname, phone number, email address, and in case of business mail, you should type in your company name and notes. Here you can indicate special requirements such as high chair, coffee and cake only, outside seating or inside seating if these options are available. Then tap on the I agree to the terms and conditions box and click on the next button to finalize your booking. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.